Guys, we're in Harrods. We've got an exclusive collaboration today. Harrods, Tom Hartley, Chimay, and Savoys. Come inside and we're going to show you what it's all about. Yeah. So guys, we're in Harrods, collaboration with Tom Hartley, Chimay, and we've got some amazing cars here, but I've been following your journey for a long time when I was actually in high school. If you can just let the viewers know how you actually started your journey.
It's a long story, however, I've been doing supercars, dismantling some cars since the age of 12 years old, and the business, Tom Hartley, is a brand name, as you know.
Yeah.
And it's been a great honour to be involved with you guys today, Savoy Properties, to do this collaboration together. And yeah, it's been quite a journey, but that's what we do. If I sell luxury performance and classic cars.
What would you say is the most special vehicle that you've ever sold?
Well, we sold lots of very special cars. Some we can't discuss, but they've been $40 million. And most of the cars that we sell are unobtainable anywhere else. And as you can see, the full front window of Harrods is all about Tom Hartley.
No, 100%. One thing I'm a big admirer of is how you built the brand. I've gone to sell and pre-eBay. I've seen you like drive around in various vehicles. You always wear the Tom Hartley cap with pride. How important has been branding for your business?
I'm very passionate about the brand. So much so I have Tom Hartley on my underpants. So not that you're ever going to find out, but that's how it is. The Tom Hartley brand's my life. It's now co-owned with my son Carl. It's a family business, and it stands every right to be inside Harrods.
There's one last question. What's next for Tom Hartley?
As far as the car business goes, there isn't any level that we can approach. It's where it is. It's all about personal touch, hands-on, controlling, and giving customers the service that they want.
Thank you so much for your time. I hope to catch up with you soon.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Guys, we're here with Nick Bassi, CEO of Charles Blake Clothing, serial entrepreneur, car fanatic, I would say. And is actually someone that we really admire, and what we've been doing as boys, I've been watching you work over the years, and we're like a very big admirer and as a role model for us. Now, just for the viewers out there, as it comes to business, what do you think are the three key principles that have helped you elevate within the industry?
To help me elevate within the industry, I think the key principles are, one is obviously you've got to have laser vision of what you want to do, where you want to go. I think keep those blinkers on without a doubt. Sure. I think with that dedication comes planning and strategy. So once you get a strategy, you've got to plan it correctly, and you've got to learn to execute. And the biggest thing around that is have good people around you that believe in what you think as well. And once they're with you, your people are with you, and you're all in that journey together, you find you excel a lot quicker. That's it.
Now, one of the things that really impressed me is the way you actually put your brand out. We were talking earlier that you haven't even advertised your brand, but use maybe what I would say is affiliate marketing, other people marketing your brand for you.
Yeah, I think that's come down to, as we were talking earlier, I've never really actually done any actual sort of PR as such, but the PR has been done all by our customers.
Yeah.
Now, I think that's down to maybe the service we give, how we sort of try and give the best possible service we can to people who are sort of following us as a brand and also trust us as well.
Sure.
Now, you need to make sure that whoever you're working with, and trust-wise, trust is a key element as well. Once you've gained someone's trust, they're going to stay with you for life.
Yeah. Last question was, I actually saw earlier this year, you did like a collaboration with your daughter. There was a Q&A.
Yes. Yeah.
How important is family when it comes to business? And if it's a family member, do you give them preferential treatment?
No. Family members do not get preferential treatment. If anything, they get it much harder. Now, that's the truth. But family members have to level up. Now, what you do is once you see what their strengths are, you then elevate them within that area of the business. I've done the same thing with my daughter. Now, she's come into the business. She's come from the bottom up, and she's really, she's learned every aspect of the business. And now I can see the passion, the drive, the energy, but she understands her product. She understands her customer. She understands the direction of the business, where we're going. So with that all in mind, I know that she'll be a future leader. So having it, but the other plus side about that is when you have got family as well, the trust element is there as well. And there's a successor, which is really important.
No, definitely. Look, I've learned a great deal over the years just from our conversations that we've had.
Yeah.
And hopefully there's a Savoys Nick Bassi collaboration coming very, very soon. Thank you so much.
Watch this space. Thank you so much.